See, comfy, something. Let's just focus on me right now. What's up, everybody? Today we're going, and I missed you guys. I missed you guys so much. And I've been going for a long time. My video in the mirror. Today we're gonna have a mirror, and our video in the mirror is nature. Look at all those animals, all the feelings that you have. And look at this. Light. Oh, let's just turn it off right now. You could see me. You could just see me, won't you? So everyone, I see you sparkling trees dazzling. Sweet, sweet flowers. But I like to be with nature. I like to be with nature. And this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Awesome, right? Well, today some pretty important things in nature, but somebody hurts the nature. But it's not okay. So you have to see this video before we go to mirror.org. Alright, guys. So, everything we need to do is dry off the trees so people won't hurt the nature. We're back. Okay, let's see. We helped the trees and we helped the nature so people be with nature. Alright, this will be the end of my video. If you like to leave a like, you can. So we will come back and see you next time, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe.